Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with real-world data in Google Sheets, you'll know that visualizing multiple data sets, especially when they're on completely different scales, can be a bit tricky. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a professional-looking graph that compares two different types of data like sales and temperature, even when they have very different axes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your data not only easier to understand, but also a lot more impactful and visually appealing. So let's jump right in. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with three columns: date, sales, and temperature. Maybe you're tracking how your store's sales change with the weather. Our goal is to put both of these data sets, sales and temperature, onto a single chart, but since sales and temperature are measured in totally different units, just throwing them together on a regular chart wouldn't make much sense. That's where a combo chart with dual axes comes in handy. Start by highlighting your data. Click and drag from the top left cell A1 all the way across to C13 so that you've got all your dates, sales figures, and temperature readings selected. You want to make sure you're grabbing the headers too so Google Sheets knows how to label everything. This initial selection is key. It tells Google Sheets exactly which pieces of information you want to visualize. With your data highlighted, go up to the menu and click on Insert, then select Chart. Don't worry if something weird pops up at first. Google Sheets defaults to what it thinks is best, but we're going to fine-tune it. Now take a look to the right side of your screen where the chart editor appears. This is your control center for tweaking how your data is displayed. Click on the Setup tab if you're not already there and look for the option labeled Chart Type. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click that and scroll through until you find Combo Chart. This is the magic chart type that lets you put both your sales and temperature data on the same graph, even if their numbers are wildly different. Combo charts are great because they let you use bars for one data set and a line for the other, so it's easy to compare trends without things getting confusing. Maybe you want sales as a column and temperature as a line, totally your call. Now let's get the axes sorted out because this is where the visualization really starts to make sense. Go into the Customize tab in the chart editor, then find the Series section. Here, Google Sheets lets you set which data series appears on which side of the chart. For sales, set it to use the left axis. This keeps your main metric on the traditional side of the graph. For temperature, select the right axis. This means temperature readings will get their own scale on the right side, so they don't get lost just because the numbers are lower or vice versa. It's like giving each data set its own measuring stick, right next to each other, so they're both easy to compare. Feel free to make this chart your own. If you want to adjust colors for clarity or just to match your branding, you can do that right here in the Series Customization menu. Maybe you find it easier to spot trends when sales are blue and temperature is orange. That's totally up to you. The point is, you'll be able to glance at your chart and immediately spot any relationship between your sales and the temperature, all without getting lost in the numbers. Take a few moments to review your chart, make any final tweaks, and there you go. You've got a clear, visually engaging graph with dual axes right there in Google Sheets. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Got any questions or want to share your own tips for visualizing data? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more useful, easy to follow Google Sheets tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.